Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make the intros and outros in phone. So just you have to open your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any browser for your making intros and outros. So here we go. The 13 tabs are open. I will use new tab. You just have to write Panzoid. Panzoid. I write the wrong spelling, but you can write right spelling. So you just have to scroll down, scroll down. Oh no, what this came? Panzoid. Okay, I have to write Panzoid. Now I had written right spelling. So you just have to click the first link. Then you can go to Flipmaker. You have to go. You can make. You have to go. Then you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and tap on the more creations. So here we get the templates. So I'm using the top templates. So this template is good enough. So it is 2D or 3D intro. So you can make it by using that, and you can contact me for making the intros. I have given a link in the description of my website. You have to just write the subject and your name and your email address, then you can contact me. So you have to click on the three dots option, go to the basics, set the resolution. I am setting it 720p frame per second. Length of the video not much than 5 seconds, so I am setting it as a 5 second. So here we go. Then you just have to scroll down, and go to the objects. Then you have to search for the name option, and you have to click on that. Then write your name. I'm writing fan forever, forever. Please subscribe the channel. Man forever. You have to write on the both side. So fan forever. Okay. By mistake I had written fan forever, ever, fan forever. So here we guys, we can see the videos by clicking on the eyeball section, and here we go. The music comes up. Okay, I'm pausing it. So you just have to go to the download section and start rendering the video. It will take 2 or 3 minutes for rendering the video. So let's pause it. 20 seconds left for the rendering. So 16 seconds, 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 1 second, 8 seconds, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, a few seconds. So wait for the rendering. So here we done the rendering. So download your video, click on that. It will be automatically download in your phone. Let's see how it will be downloaded. So on. It will downloading. So subscribe the channel Fan Forever. I every day makes the video for you. So the downloading has done. So we will click on that. Download it. I will open it from the okay, next notification from the Ghana.com. So I have to go to downloads. Here we get the download section. Okay, I will click on that. I have to play with gallery. So. Be subscribed. Here we go. Wow, that's a cool intro. You can make the intros like this. So, sign out from the Fan Forever creator. Okay, bye bye guys. Make sure you subscribe the channel and make visit to my website. Bye bye.